Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change a Flixbus ticket. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus application, which of course I have done right here. Now, after launching your application, I'd like you to know where you can find Flixbus. You can find it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Just launch any of those applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type Flixbus and it's going to take you through a process where you can now download and install. Follow through the on-screen prompts and download. After installing successfully, you're going to find this homepage right there in Flixbus. So from here, let's see what we can do. Now, how do you change a Flixbus ticket? It's pretty much simple. Head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you have booking, tickets, stops, and more. Now, go ahead and click on tickets. Now, if you have booked your ticket, you're going to find a list of all your tickets here, and you'll be able to manage your trips or your bookings from this window. But I have not placed in a booking. I don't have any trip that has been booked, so there are no tickets here. Okay, but then from this window, you're going to have to select the ticket that you want to change. After selecting the ticket that you want to change, now at the bottom right corner of that ticket, you're going to find the three dots menu. So go ahead and click on the three dots, and once you click on the three dots, you're going to find an option, a wide array of options or a few options, and one of them is cancel and change trip. So go ahead and select cancel and change trip. Now once you do that, it's going to take you to the edit your booking window with options like reserve and change seat, add baggage, change departure date and time, cancel trip, and edit/remove passengers. You're going to find those other options. So from there, go ahead and click on. So from here, want to change our trip, right? So you're going to have to head over to click on reserve and change seat if you want to do that, or change departure date and time for you to change your trip, right? Or for you to change your ticket. So you can select change departure date and time, and once you click on change departure date and time, you can now go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompts to change your departure date and time, and that's it. Your trip will be changed to something else, to another date and time. So after doing that, that's just pretty much the process. Okay, so let's go over it again. Select the tickets that you want to change. At the bottom, you're going to find the three dots menu. Click on that, and then you see some options. Select cancel and change trip. Once you select that, it's going to take you to the edit your booking window with more options. So from there, go ahead and select change departure date and time, or use any of those options. And once you're done, you'll be able to change your ticket on Flixbus. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.